I am going to eat for €3 a day this week. Those are all my grocery shopping I did today in Lidl, Aldi, and Tesco. I will include a full list of groceries and prices. Let's see what I can make out of it. I am starting by cutting baguette into 7 pieces. I am keeping 2 pieces and remaining 5 I will freeze. Before I will get into my breakfast, I want to prepare the rice for lunch. I want to rinse it first to remove excess starch. And I'm going to soak it for an hour before cooking. Moving on to the breakfast, I'm going to open the bacon and keep 2 slices for today and tomorrow, and I'm going to freeze rest, packing it separately. For my breakfast, I will use few slices of chorizo. Because of its fatty texture, I don't need to use any oil. I am frying 1 slice of bacon and few slices of chorizo. While this is frying, I'm going to whisk 1 egg and cut a little bit of green chili pepper. They have anti-inflammatory properties, as well as they will add a spicy twist to my breakfast. I am using half of the 1 out of 7 pieces of my baguette with some soft cheese, half piece for breakfast, and the other half for supper. I will have this exactly same breakfast today and tomorrow. It's time to cook the rice. While rice is cooking, I'm going to cut spinach, using half packet. This spinach is already washed. Once rice and spinach are cooked, I'm going to strain them well, and then mix them together, keeping 1 gas burner on a light heat. Now I'm adding 1 egg and cooking until the egg becomes hard. Also adding a bit of soy sauce for the taste. And this is my dinner for today. Moving on to the supper, I'm having half of baguette piece with soft cheese, 1 can of sardines and tomato sauce, and 1/4 of cucumber. I am adding a bit of garlic to today's dinner, which is exactly same as yesterday, and for me it's much tastier with garlic. Supper. 1/4 of cucumber, sardines and tomato sauce, and half of baguette with soft cheese. Today's breakfast. Half of baguette with soft cheese, 2 slices of chorizo. I'm going to quickly fry it on a pan. This gives a nice crispy taste. Using half of cottage cheese, 1/4 of tomato, and 1/4 of cucumber. I'm cutting both into small pieces. Add a bit of salt and mix all ingredients together. For dinner, I'm using 4 slices of chorizo, chili pepper, bowl of frozen vegetables, noodle, and teriyaki sauce. For supper, I'm going to have baguette with soft cheese, 3 slices of chorizo, 1 slice of bacon, and 1 egg. I'll start by frying chorizo and bacon, and then I'll add egg. Same breakfast as yesterday. Cottage cheese, tomato, cucumber, few slices of fried chorizo, baguette with soft cheese. For today's dinner, I'm going to have noodle with vegetables. I'm going to use 1 inch of chorizo, and I'll leave the rest for next days. I am using half packet of rice noodle. Starting off by cutting chili and chorizo, frying them on the pan and having rice noodles cooking in the other pot. I am adding half a packet of soft cheese. It will make nice creamy sauce together with some garlic and soya sauce. Supper same as yesterday.
Yes, now is it?
Breakfast baguette with soft cheese, sardines and tomato sauce, bacon, chorizo, and boiled egg. Rice, mixed beans, vegetables, chorizo, chili, garlic, and passata. You just add all ingredients into the pan. As you can see, this was a huge portion and could serve 2 people. Or I could put it in a container, wait until it cools, and freeze it. It's going to be kind of freestyle. Scrambled egg on chorizo and bacon with noodle and passata.
This way, this way. Mommy, look! Look what I found! Mommy.
Boiled egg mixed with avocado and tomato. Baguette with soft cheese, with some soya sauce. Rice, vegetables with passata, soya sauce for the taste. Simple dinner as ingredients is finishing. For supper, I am having baguette with soft cheese, avocado and garlic and salt, and small omelette with tomato and chorizo. Day 7, my breakfast and supper are going to be the same. Very simple. Boiled egg, quarter of avocado, and baguette with soft cheese. Dinner. I am using remaining pack of rice noodle with vegetables, chorizo, chili, and soft cheese and soya sauce. I finished my challenge. I managed to eat for little over €3 for a week. I still have some vegetables left, chili peppers, garlic, and soya sauce. Please give these video a like if you find it helpful. This challenge made me appreciate my food even more. Thanks for watching.